If you've ever started a schoolie slash box truck or van build and started documenting it on YouTube or Instagram, and your biggest fear was to end up on a Chuck Cassidy reaction video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been so long. I got a new job. I had to shut down the business. You don't want to hear about all that. You want to hear about the progress I'm making, which is a lot. I haven't really been filming any of it, but I've got everything all framed in, got the wires ready, got the electrical panel in and the outlets, got solar video on that soon, video on the EcoFlow, a lot of videos coming. Anyways, today's video is going to be about doing spray foam. I ended up going with the Froth-Pak 650 closed cell spray foam kit, and unfortunately I didn't read a lot of reviews on it, and they're not so great. Some people are saying it's good, some people are saying it's bad. I wish I had gone with the Tiger foam, but hopefully it'll turn out okay. I've been hearing stories of a lot of bad batches, and the gun just being splotchy, being super messy. I don't know. We'll see what happens. It's not returnable, so hopefully it turns out all right. I'll try to film as much as I can, but we are all taped off. Got the wiring ready. Now I know this is not in conduit or anything, but this is marine grade stranded wire like everybody recommends. The spray foam kind of encapsulates this and you never see it again, so that's why it's not in conduit. Got my box wired up, got my shore power, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. That was probably one of the hottest, sweatiest things I've ever done in my life. Also, make sure you pay attention to the directions because the B tank ran out before the A tank did, like most people are complaining about. And now I have product just dripping from the ceiling here in the back. But thankfully, I think I caught it early, so it shouldn't be a huge deal, but I'm gonna let it air out. Overall, it looks pretty decent though. I started with a cone tip over here and didn't realize it, and I was like, why is this going on so thick? So I'm definitely gonna have to do a lot of trimming there. Here we are the next day with the final result. Gonna give you a quick look around here. And like I said earlier, it went on way too thick here in this back corner. And you can see in the back, thankfully, I noticed it somewhat early, but it's just really hard to pay attention to like the bubbles in the hose, like it says in the instructions, when you're trying to keep the gun clear and not stop for more than 30 seconds. It's kind of hard to pay attention, but you can see it's running down where only half the product was spraying, and it did that all along the back. It's still dripping off the ceiling here. So I'm not sure if that's just gonna dry up or if I need to wipe that off, or I don't know. I don't know if it's toxic. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. Maybe leave a comment on what you would do with this. I mean, it's really bad down there, and it's dripping out the back. So definitely should have taped the top off here because I'm gonna have to do a lot of scraping. But overall, I mean, this stuff is really hard. It's like really hard to break off. You can't just peel it off with your hands. So, and it's kind of splotchy too. I mean, it's pretty decent. I definitely didn't do a great job spraying. I'm not a professional spray foam person, but anyways, thanks for watching. Just wanted to make a quick unedited video of some of the progress I've made. Got a lot of videos coming up, couple product reviews on stuff like the EcoFlow. So stay tuned. I'll catch you later.